Before we started, you needed to have a plugin created. You can refer to the last video on how to make a plugin. In this example, I will make a command named ping that returns the arguments to the chat with a pong. If there isn't an argument, it will only return a pong. There's two ways to write the command code. You can write the command codes at a new class or in your main class. I recommend writing it in a new class. Create a class named ping command and add implement command executor to the class. If you want to do it in the main class, you need to implement command executor in the main class beside Java plugin. Then add the implemented method. In the onCommand method, we check is there an arguments in the command and name the first argument as message. After that, you can send a message to the sender and the message will be pong plus message. If there isn't an argument, we just send a message pong to the sender. Then back to the main class. Register the ping command class inside the onEnable function. And in plugin.yml, add the command in the command section. Now you can export the plugin and put it into your server. And that's how you make your custom command in your plugin. If you find this video useful, consider leaving a like and comment down below if you have any problems.